Hello everyone, hope all is well and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a full face using KAJA Beauty. This is such a cute brand. I've been loving it to bits and I'm so excited to be doing this video. And it's also extra special because a portion of this video is sponsored by them. I'm going to be demoing and talking to you all about their new Wink Stamp eyeliner duo. This is such a helpful product. As you can see, look how even my eyeliner is. I'm shocked and I've been loving this duo so much lately. So before we get into it, I would love for you to subscribe if you aren't already. It means so much to me, and let's get to it. So they have a couple primers, but I chose this one because it looked really exciting. It's their Dream Puff Radiant Mousse Primer. Oh, it says to shake well. I've never used this before, so I don't know what to expect. Not bad. That's really fun. It's like shaving cream. Well, that's a really fun sensation. Oh! And that's what happens every time I get a package at the door. My dog freaks out. Happens a few times a day. She's still not used to it. I have to take a little bit more because I forgot my forehead. And yes, I'm growing out my bangs. I just want a break. I like to change up my hair a lot, so I know a lot of people are upset, but it's very, very glowy. I really like how that looks. They don't have a foundation, so I am going to be using the Nude Sticks Tinted Cover. I have the shade Nude 3.5. I've been loving this stuff lately. It was in my VIB recommendation video. It's super, super dewy and super glossy looking, and it's very effortless. And I'm applying it with the Nude Sticks Blend and Buff brush. And for my concealer, I'm going to use the Don't Settle. I've been trying this out lately and I really, really like it. So it's not a first impression on this one. This color works really great for me. It is the shade 04 Waffles. Yeah. They have such cute shade names. I really love this brand. It's so cute. But I tried this out in my last new products video and I really, really liked it. And I've used it a few times since then and I just really like the effect of it, especially with this Nude Sticks foundation. I think they just complement each other very nicely, and it's a very quick concealer. It's a little bit more of a thinner formula, which is really nice for like lighter days. So far, I'm really impressed with this brand. I've taken a few products with me to my little mountain getaway, and I've loved how they performed. I especially love their little eye bento trios. I think they're just so genius and so easy to travel with. I love them. I think Sephora did a really great job with this little Korean inspired brand. I think it's so fun and the packaging is so cute. So this is what the base is looking like. I really like how it's looking. I look super, super glowy. These red spots I have right here is because of this thing on my bed, the little orange one. My cat Steve. I'm allergic to cats, but that doesn't stop me. They don't have a bronzer yet, so no surprise, I'm going to go in with the Milk Matte Bronzer in the shade Baked. They do have a brow gel. This is the shade 04 Deep Brown. I'm going to try it alone at first. Usually I do go in with a pencil first, but I did tint my brows today, so I think this will be okay. I think that's pretty good. I like the tone of it. I was a little bit worried it looked a little bit warm, but it's honestly a little bit more on the ashy side, which I'm happy about because I do like my brows to be black. So we'll see once it dries down, the hold and stuff like that. They do have these really cute highlighters here. They're called the Mochi Glow. Super cute. I brought, which one? I brought 03 Luna on my little getaway and I really liked it. It's a little bit glittery, but I don't mind it for this one because the glitter particles are so tiny. The thing I don't like about glittery highlights is like sometimes they can look patchy on the skin just because the glitter gets so sparse once you really blend it into the skin. But for this, I don't mind it because the base pigment is so like sheer and nice that when it doesn't look patchy at all. So I think I'm gonna go into the shade 03 Luna. Toy Alien, here I'll give them a little swatch. They're really nice because they feel like a little bit of a bouncy formula, which is really cool. 01 Toy Alien is this one. It's a little bit of an icier champagne color, whereas Luna is like a really nice sheer champagne color, which I like because it looks completely invisible until the lights hits it. So I really like that one. I'm going to be using 03. And to apply that, I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics and It's My Ray Ray Collection number 5 brush. And there it is on. It's super nice. I really like this one. I'm just going to go over with my beauty blender just to really sink that into those other products. And for blush, I think I want to do more of a peachy look because I'm going to be using their Poppy Champagne trio. So I'm going to use their really cute, I forget what these are called, but it's the Stampy blush with the little heart applicator. So it's a cushion blush. I did try these out before. This is the shade 03 Bossy, which is such a cute peachy tone. I used this in my new products video as well. I was really impressed with this. I think this is just so cute and genius and such a fun experience. And I like to blend these out with a finger. I think it just applies it a lot more evenly. I think the warmth of your finger really helps it, and it just really sinks into all those base products. The reason I apply blush last and I kind of go over where my highlighter is and near where I put my bronzer, I just feel like once I add the blush on top, it really makes these two other products look like they're coming from within instead of just sitting on top of the skin. I really dislike when my highlighter just looks apart from my face. I don't know, I don't like it when it just sticks out. Now I'm going to move on to the eyes, and I'm going to use this Poppy Champagne trio. These are called the Beauty Bentos. So cute. This one's really nice because it has these really fun corally orangey tones. I think it'd be really cute. So I'm just going to quickly prime my eyes with the Makeup Forever Ultra HD concealer, and I will be right back. I just did the whole eye look and I realized I wasn't filming, so that's why I have little particles of glitter from the shimmer shade everywhere. But round 2, here we go. So I'm first going to be taking this shade right here. It's this middle shade. It's a beautiful clementine orange with this Smith 232, and I'm putting it into the crease. And then I'm going to take this BH number 7 brush with the same color just to add a little bit more definition into the crease. So I'm going to take this Smith 256 brush, a nice placing brush, and I'm going to take the deepest shade, this one right here, and I'm going to pack that on to the lid. I love these two shades together. It reminds me of a tropical drink. I don't know which one, but maybe like a tequila sunrise. Are those colorful? I don't really know my alcoholic beverages. I think I'm actually going to put the shimmer shade in the inner corner. I think it would add a really nice touch because it has kind of a yellow shift to it. I think it would complement these tones. Yeah, that's sweet. I really love the concept of these. I want more. So I'm going to stop with the shadow for right now because I'm moving on to some eyeliner, and this is the sponsored portion of today's video. I'm going to be demoing the Wink Stamp Duo. This is really awesome because you get 2 products in one for $25 USD. One of them is the Wink Stamp. You get a left and right side, and the Wink Stamp wing eyeliner pen as well, which is just a normal liquid eyeliner pen, which is really awesome. I love that they include both products. I think that's so helpful. So I really like to use the Wink Stamp more so as a guide. I've had this for a while now. I've been keeping it a secret and I've been using it a lot. It's very helpful because it gives you a really nice angle as well as thickness on both sides. It really helps with evening out eyeliner. Okay, so I'm going to line it up with my lower lash line, and to find the perfect angle for your eye shape, you look at where your lashes start to grow on your waterline here, and if you follow that up, that is going to be the most flattering angle for your own eye shape. So I'm gonna line this up. This is gonna be hard to film it. I did it on this eye like perfectly, and I went like this. I filmed it like this. So I'm gonna look up and stamp it. And then it just gives you a really good idea. And then what I like to do is I like to go over it again and kind of drag it. So it just like covers that whole area. And then I will take the eyeliner pen, give it a good shake, and I like to take my eyeliners around halfway across my eye because I feel like that just makes it a lot more almond shaped or cat eye shaped instead of rounded. And then you just want to continue that angle, and I think I'm going to extend mine just slightly. I really set myself up for failure today because I had like 3 cups of coffee and I'm so shaky. And I knew I was doing this video today. I don't know why I am the way I am. Okay, now that I have that, I'm going to take my cleanup brush, this Anastasia 20 with some of the concealer we used, and I just like to drag it across the lower, just to get rid of those little bumps I made because of my shaky hand. And there, a really nice set of wings. I really love this product. It makes it so much easier. Like, these are some of the best wings I've done on camera, and I'm literally so shaky. Now dipping back into the little beauty bento, I'm going to first take the deepest shade on this Nabla lash line smudger, and I'm going to hug this shade onto as close as I can to the waterline. And yeah, I'm gonna bring it all the way across. I feel like that'll be cute. And then with this Dose of Colors brush, the dual-ended ones that come in their 5 color palettes, I'm gonna take the orange shade and blend that out just to tie what we did on top to the bottom. And I think that's it. I'm gonna quickly apply some mascara and maybe some little false lashes, and I'll be right back. So I actually have some exciting news. I finally found a lash primer that actually works for me. It's the Lancome Cils Booster Extra Large, and the mascara I used is the Lancome Hypnose Drama. And here are the eyes all finished. The lashes I used are the Social Eyelashes in the style Vixen. I really love how the eyes turned out. I really love the peach moment. I think it's super cute and fun for the last couple of weeks of warm weather. I really love these beauty bentos. My favorite one is still Chocolate Dahlia because it's just like the perfect everyday neutral one. I love how the tones aren't too warm or too cool. They're just like perfect neutrals. And I've been really impressed with this brand. Like, there's nothing that I dislike. And last step is lips. I picked out a few lip products. They have some really fun ones. They have a mood balm. These are fascinating to me because they change colors depending on the pH of your skin or whatever. It's really neat science. So this one turns from this orange color to a really beautiful peachy color. So I might use that one. I think that would be really flattering with this look. These really cute Heart Melter Moisture Melt Lip Gloss sticks. This isn't the right shade for this look, but it's really cute because the little applicator is in the shape of a heart. And then finally they have these really cool duo-sided lip products where it comes with a lip liner as well as a lipstick, which I think is genius. But I think I'm going to be using the Mood Balm because I feel like it'd be really nice with this look since it's really fresh. I'm super impressed with this brand. I think it's just so fun. The packaging is so cute. So this is the final look. I really love how it turned out. I'm gonna move on to my final thoughts now. So first, starting off with this Dream Puff Primer. This is a really fun experience, but I don't think it's the most practical thing, especially if you're someone who travels a lot. I'd worry a lot about this, imagine. And plus it's an aerosol, so I don't know, I'm iffy about that. I thought it looked beautiful. My skin does look really nice and radiant, but I just think it's kind of a hassle. I don't know, it's kind of messy too. I don't know how to feel. Next, with the Don't Settle Concealer. I really love this concealer. I've probably used it over 5 times now and I've never had an issue. At first I always think it's going to be a little bit too drying, but then once it really settles into your skin, it just looks really nice and hydrating under the eyes, which I really love. For the brow product, it was my first time using it. I'll have to continue using it because I want to see how these last, but they feel really secure in place. Like the hold is really good so far, and I'm impressed that it was able to kind of lay down the pigment underneath the brows onto the skin. And it's not like getting weird or oily or anything like that. It's staying really nice and put. For the Mochi Glow, I really like this product because it's fun for like those days when you want more of an intense glow. I really, like I said earlier, it does have a little bit of glitter, but I don't mind it for this one, oddly enough. And the texture is really cool because it feels like a cream. Kind of like if you go in with it, it feels like a cream, but then it's a powder. I really love those kind of products. It really just sinks into the skin beautifully. I think it looks really flattering on the cheekbones and everywhere else. For the blushes, I think this is one of my top favorite products from their whole line. I just think this is so innovative and such a fun experience. The packaging is just so fun. It like makes a fun popping noise. It might be a little bit bulky. For me, that's okay because it's just such an innovative, fun product. And I do really love the effect. I really enjoy these 2 colors I have. Last time I tried Saucy and today I tried Bossy. I really like the Bossy shade because of course it's a beautiful peachy tone. And I just love the finish of them. They're kind of a balmy, so they just make you look really glowy and healthy. So I've been a big fan of these. Next, for the Beauty Bentos, I'm completely obsessed with these. I will definitely be picking up more, even maybe for this sale. Oh, I just realized you can probably depot these. Yeah, if you aren't a big fan of the little stacks, which I don't know why you would because I think they're just so tiny and cute, but you can actually stick a little pen or something and pop the shades out. That's a nice option if this for some reason drives you crazy. And the pigmentation is great. As I said, my favorite one is Chocolate Dahlia. That one's just everything I need for like a quick neutral eye. For the eyeliners, obviously I'm very in love with these, or else I wouldn't be promoting them. I just think they just do such a great job at really ensuring that you have an even eyeliner. I think it's a really flattering thickness for my eye shape, so I've just been really loving that product. And then finally, for the lip products, I haven't tried these ones out yet. I'll have to put those in my new products to test out box again, but I really love this balm. I think it's so fun. It's very moisturizing as well, but I think it's just such a fun experience to watch it change color again. I don't know, I just really love this brand. It's super fun and playful. My top recommended products from this brand are definitely the Cushion blushes. Love these so much, as well as the eyeliner duo. I really love these Mochi Glows. I think they're just so cute. And of course the eyeshadows, the Beauty Bentos, they're so cute. Those are my 4 top recommended products from their whole lineup. And that wraps up today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and a big thank you to KAJA for sponsoring today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it and found it inspiring and helpful. Let me know what you would like to see next in the comments down below. And before I go, I would love for you to subscribe if you aren't already, and give this video a like if you liked it, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!